Now that we've got our eave out of the box, the first thing we're going to do is add the feet. To add the feet, lay the eave down on something soft so that you won't scratch either the floor or your eave. For this, you're going to need a screwdriver with a square head, or red Robbie as it's known. You're going to take your small bag of 16 screws, and then your legs are going to go into these pre-drilled slots on the bottom of your cabinet. What's important is that when you are screwing these in, that you start by screwing in these outer ones first. That allows you to adjust and make sure everything's lined up. So I'll give you a demonstration now. So again, lining it up, you can see the holes line up there. We're going to take our outside screw first. Find our slots. And in it goes. Now you don't want to tighten these all the way. You want to leave these outer ones a little loose at first so that you've got room to adjust. So now that those are loosely in, we can find the spots for the center two that should be exact. You can see this leaves me room to adjust the feet. And then these ones can be tightened all the way when they go in. And once you've got those in, you can proceed to tighten the outer two. And now we're just going to repeat this for the other 3 legs.